Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you some really nice crochet Easter patterns. To navigate my blog, Amy's DIY Frugal Life, go to the top and go to crochet and then go to the crochet holidays, click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to different types of patterns and you can click on any of those patterns. It will take you right directly to it once you click on it. Here is a crochet bunny applique, and all you need to do is just click on that and it will take you directly to the pattern. So if you're looking for a cute addition to your next crochet project, check out this adorable bunny applique, and it's perfect for adding some charm to hats, blankets, or even bags, and it's super easy to make and it will add some fun touch to any of your projects. So have you thought about making your own Easter basket this year? Just click right onto the pattern and it will take you right there to the Easter basket. There is a video tutorial for this one and pattern. This is great for kids. This is a fun and creative way to customize your holiday decor. And I love to place their Easter eggs inside. Here are some easy to make mini Easter baskets. I like to place these all over the house filled with jelly beans. This pattern comes with a video tutorial. It's so easy, simple, and fast to make. Great for beginners. A great way to get crafty for Easter is making some of these crochet Easter eggs. You can make them as big and colorful as you would like. You can just go up on a hook size with thicker yarn if you'd like them bigger. Also, you can try these adorable crochet bunny patterns. This one comes with a video tutorial if you need more of a visual aid. These are so fun to make. You can make them in any color and they're so cozy and would be perfect as a gift or for home decor. And it would also be fun to make these crochet bunny peeps. The peeps are so popular for Easter and they would make for great decorations. You can make them in thick plush yarn or thin yarn as well and make them in any color that you would like. Here is another fun Easter crochet pattern, which is a bunny egg. This crochet bunny egg is one of my most popular Easter patterns, and I love to place these crochet eggs all over my house. They are so cute. Here is another crochet bunny Easter basket. It's a super fun project that's perfect for holding goodies or even as a centerpiece for your holiday table. You can customize it with different colors and add-ons to make it uniquely yours. This crochet Easter basket is great for beginners. It's pretty easy to make and you can add so many things to this basket like eggs and toys and candy and place them all over the house or give them to your children. You can get cozy by making this reversible pillow bag. It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your home decor while staying organized and stylish. And you can customize the colors and patterns to match your unique style. You can add a personal touch to your table with this crochet bunny placemat. It's a fun and festive project that is great for your dining space. And you can customize it with different colors to match your decor. And you can find all of these crochet patterns down below in the description. If you'd like to make something adorable for your little one, here is a cute crochet bunny lovey. It would make for a perfect gift or for a baby. Perfect for nursing decor. Many of these crochet Easter patterns have videos if you need more help. And all of these patterns come with step-by-step instructions. I hope you enjoyed this crochet Easter video. All the patterns are listed down below in the description, and if you are not already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.